Did you know that nearly half of Americans have less than $10,000 saved for retirement? This startling statistic reveals a widespread issue that many of us are facing. It's a wake-up call to the reality that financial security in our golden years is not guaranteed. That's right, almost half of us are staring down the barrel of a retirement riddled with financial anxiety. The thought of not having enough money to support ourselves can be overwhelming and stressful. It can lead to sleepless nights and constant worry about the future. This statistic paints a bleak picture, but don't lose hope. There are steps you can take to improve your financial situation, no matter where you are starting from. It's important to remember that it's never too late to make a change. It's never too late to take charge of your financial future, even if you're starting from scratch. By educating yourself and seeking out resources, you can begin to build a solid foundation for your retirement savings. Attending financial seminars, reading books, and consulting with financial advisors can provide valuable insights and strategies. You might be thinking, retire rich starting with nothing? That's impossible. It's natural to feel skeptical, especially if you haven't been able to save much so far. But the key is to start small and stay consistent. But I'm here to tell you, it's not. With the right mindset and a solid plan, you can turn things around. It's about making informed decisions and taking control of your financial destiny. It's about making a plan and sticking to it. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress can help you stay on course. Break down your financial goals into manageable steps and celebrate your achievements along the way. It's about changing your mindset from "I can't afford to save" to "I can't afford not to save." Prioritize your retirement savings and make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Even small contributions can add up over time. The journey to a comfortable retirement might seem daunting, but remember this: every journey starts with a single step. Take that first step today, whether it's opening a retirement account, increasing your contributions, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Today, you can take that step and begin building the retirement of your dreams. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that you're taking proactive steps towards a secure and fulfilling retirement. The effort you put in now will pay off in the long run, allowing you to enjoy your golden years without financial worries. Retiring rich isn't just for the wealthy or those born into privilege. It's attainable for anyone willing to embrace discipline, hard work, and smart financial strategies. It's about making a conscious decision to prioritize your future self. Think of it as a journey, not a sprint. It's about consistently making small, impactful choices that compound over time. Just like building a house brick by brick, you build wealth dollar by dollar. Remember, the goal isn't to become a millionaire overnight. It's about achieving financial independence and security so you can enjoy your later years without financial stress. Are you ready to build that future? Let's face it, life throws curveballs, often when we least expect it. Debt and low income are two major hurdles that can derail your retirement savings goals and financial stability. But these obstacles are not insurmountable. They can be overcome with determination. First, tackle your debt head-on with a clear strategy. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and consider a debt snowball method where you pay off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. Next, focus on boosting your income through various means. Explore side hustles, seek promotions, or acquire new skills that can increase your earning potential significantly. Remember, every extra dollar earned is another dollar you can invest in your future and financial security. Building wealth for retirement involves a three-pronged approach: budgeting, investing, and increasing your income. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in ensuring a secure and comfortable future. By focusing on these three areas, you can create a robust financial plan that will serve you well throughout your retirement years. Think of these as the pillars of your financial house. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, your financial future relies on these three pillars to stand strong and weather any storms that may come your way. Budgeting is about gaining control of your money. It involves understanding where your money is coming from and where it is going. By creating a detailed budget, you can identify spending patterns and make informed decisions about your finances. Track your income and expenses meticulously. This means keeping a record of every dollar earned and spent. Use tools like spreadsheets or financial tracking apps to help you stay organized and on top of your finances. Identify areas to cut back. Look for unnecessary expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. This might include dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more cost-effective alternatives for everyday purchases. Allocate funds towards your retirement goals. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start directing money towards your retirement savings. This could involve setting up automatic transfers to a retirement account, or working with a financial advisor to create a personalized retirement plan. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. By being intentional with your spending and saving habits, you can ensure that your money is being used in the most effective way possible to support your long-term goals. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth over time. It allows your money to grow at a rate that outpaces inflation, ensuring that your savings maintain their purchasing power in the future. Explore options like low-cost index funds. These funds offer a simple and cost-effective way to invest in a broad range of stocks, providing diversification and reducing risk. Diversify your investments to manage risk. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you can protect yourself from the volatility of any single investment. This strategy helps to balance potential gains and losses. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool for long-term growth. While it can be unpredictable in the short term, historically, it has provided substantial returns over the long run. Finally, always be on the lookout for opportunities to increase your income. This could involve exploring new job opportunities, attending networking events, or considering side business ventures. Whether it's negotiating a raise, starting a side business, or taking on freelance work, there are many ways to boost your income. Each additional dollar earned can be put towards your retirement savings, accelerating your progress towards your financial goals. Finding a higher-paying job can also make a significant difference. Continuously improving your skills and staying updated with industry trends can open up new opportunities for career advancement and higher earnings. Increasing your earning potential directly impacts your savings potential. By focusing on these three prongs, budgeting, investing, and increasing your income, you can build a solid financial foundation for a secure and prosperous retirement. Section 5. Practical tips for financial success. Let's get practical. Here are some actionable tips to jumpstart your retirement savings journey. 1. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill payment. 2. Embrace frugality. Challenge yourself to live below your means. Cut back on unnecessary expenses like dining out, expensive coffees, and impulse purchases. 3. Maximize employer contributions. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. 4. Invest consistently. Don't be afraid of market fluctuations. Remember, time is your greatest asset in investing. Section 6. The power of compounding. Your money's best friend. Here's a secret weapon in the fight for financial freedom: compound interest. It's a concept that can transform your financial future if you understand and utilize it effectively. Think of compound interest as the snowball effect of earning interest on your initial investment, plus all the accumulated interest over time. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, it gathers more snow and grows larger. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the more significant your returns. Time is your greatest ally in this process. Starting early gives your investments the chance to grow exponentially. Even small contributions invested consistently can grow exponentially over time. Imagine putting away just a small amount each month. Over the years, this can turn into a substantial sum thanks to the power of compounding. Think of it this way. The money you invest today has the potential to earn interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. This cycle continues, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your financial growth. This means that your money is working for you even while you sleep. The interest you earn today will earn more interest tomorrow, and this compounding effect can lead to significant wealth over time. It creates a powerful cycle of growth that works in your favor. By understanding and leveraging the power of compound interest, you can set yourself on a path to financial independence and security. So, start investing early, be consistent, and let the magic of compounding work for you. Section 7. Your 10-year plan to retirement riches. So can you retire rich in 10 years starting with nothing? Absolutely. It requires a shift in mindset, unwavering discipline, and a commitment to your financial goals. Start by creating a realistic budget and sticking to it. Aggressively tackle any debt using the snowball method. Explore ways to boost your income and consider side hustles as a way to accelerate your savings. Invest consistently in low-cost index funds and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Remember, consistency is key. Even small contributions made regularly can lead to significant growth over time. Section 8. Take control of your future. Your financial future is not predetermined. You have the power to shape it and make it better. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. The journey to retiring rich starts with a single step. Take that step today. Educate yourself about personal finance, explore different investment strategies, and find what works best for you. Remember, knowledge is power. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to saving for retirement? Share your thoughts and let's work together to build a brighter financial future for everyone.